Hello. Yeah, so about change results from Smarty Street API for unknown addresses. When we talk about like Smarty Street domestic APIs, currently we are making bad or blank address in the return code for any address that does not return a result or a DPV match code is Y. Yeah. So if the response is like null or blank, it's a blank list, then of course we make it bad or blank address, and the DPV match code is the field that we use to know if it's bad or valid or not. However, some clients are complaining that address that are found are marked as bad or blank and no information came through. Okay, so if just first thing I just want to read about the DPV match code. So DPV match code is the field that we use to know if it's like valid code or not. So it's like status of the delivery point validation, which is DPV. So it's got first value, which is Y, that means confirm entire address is present in USPS data, and the second is not confirm address is not present into USPS data. But I'm not sure what does this mean, if it's valid or not. I think it's valid, but it's not present in USPS data. And the third is yes, confirm by ignoring secondary info. Fourth is confirm by missing secondary info, and the final is void or blank or null, which is like it's not present in USPS data. And this is the scenario where we like if the value this is like DPV match code is null, we say that address is like bad when the result is returned. Otherwise, like of course, like invalid or like not valid address. So here you see then the code, if Y then that means confirm, if N that means not confirm, S that means confirm by dropping secondary info, D that means confirm by missing secondary info, and the last one is like V verified false, like not verified. So you see here right here. Now let's talk about the thing that you are saying, that we need to change the US address API call to include an parameter called match to invalid, so that then it will return some API. Okay, so if talk about the match keyword, this is the match that we can pass into our API call. The match output strategy to be employed for this lookup valid values are, so the default is strict, the strict is default, so we don't pass anything, that means it's working on a strict. The API will validate return detailed output if a valid match is found. So that means the API that like the addresses that's not in the USPS or it's not here in Smart Street, it will not return anything when this is strict. And you want me to use invalid, the API will return detailed output for every properly submitted address, even if the address is not address is invalid. So this is the code, this is the scenario that we are going to like use now, and it says that check DPV match code to know if this is valid or not. So we already checked the DPV match code, so there like this code is fine. I think it will not it's not like needed to change anything here. But I used a testing code here right here, and I just passed match is equal to invalid, like, and I used the data the address that you gave me here. So I think and I think you are saying that if like now with this change match is equal to invalid, if there is nothing returned, that means it's blank, bad or blank clearly. But if something returned, and if DPV match code has these values, so this will like mark it uh, the status based on these values. But if DPV match code is not there, like this is, if it's not any of these, okay, so that will happen when DPV match code is null. It will happen with the addresses that's not valid, but still due to the new match parameter, it will return some values, some address, the smart street will return. And I think you want me to like make it confirm but maybe undeliverable. And just like the Google Map, we will only populate the fields that are blank. That means we will not override any field, but we will populate the fields that's are blank. Okay, now you are like saying about populating the footnotes. Okay, so I will talk about that one in a second. So if talk about this address, I use this address and pass match is equal to invalid. Okay, so you see I called this API, and this is the um, response code. So this is the response JSON. So you see a lot of things are written, like component have like primary number, street name, street suffix, city, default city name, abbreviation and all. But you know, this does not include the DPV match code. So that means DPV match code is null. When something is null, the JSON will not include that one. So DPV match code is null. That means in our current code, the current code will make it bad or blank. But now with the new changes, I think we will make it maybe undeliverable with that status. Confirm maybe undeliverable if this is the output we get. And also you want to populate these info. So if we talk about footnote, it got like DPV footnote and then footnote. So this is like two digit, two character and small footnotes that will not make sense. So I think we need to like get the values from here, uh, from these places. Like this is DPV footnote, and you know we got the status double A, which is the first value. You see it says street address, city, state and zip all are valid. So I think we need to like use these as a key, and then the description as a value, and replace the values, because putting A does not make any sense, of course. So this is the DPV footnotes, and the second value is footnotes. So footnotes is also a field that is written, but it contain like has characters, like A has, B has. So here is the full description of the values. A has, that means corrected zip code. B has means corrected city and state spelling. So D has means no zip plus 4 assigned. So that means we need to populate these definitions and details in the footnote, so that the client should know that why it's like deliverable. And I think that's what you want me to do. So please let me know about this. That means if the address have DPV match code Y, N, S and D, then it will like mark it like this one, like Y for confirm, and for not committed confirm, S for confirm by dropping secondary info, D for confirm missing secondary info. And then if nothing is like nothing came in DPV match code, still we will make it confirm maybe undeliverable status, not like bad or blank. And we will like update the fields that are written from smarty street only if the fields were already blank, you know. So that makes sense. And if like there is nothing written from uh, yeah, so this is something right here, yeah. So see the footnotes are already like used this one, like a as a key and then replaced with the values. So that means footnote is fine, but I think we need to like do it for footnotes, this one, the A has, B has, C has. So I will make these changes to include these things as well. Okay, so let me know. Thank you.